Guys, today I'm cooking steamed fish in banana leaves. So first thing I need to do is to blend all of these ingredients, and if you ask quantity, I just use the quantity as appropriate. For this probably I will use 4 or 5 fishes. So 4 tomatoes, red beet, chili, no seeds, garlic, ginger, galangal, turmeric, probably I'll use half, Spanish onions and red onions. Chop it off in small pieces and put it in the blender and do for everything. I just smash the garlic, take away the skin, put it in. Also cut the ginger in small pieces. Chop the turmeric as well. Chuck that one in. That's a galangal. Chop it off. Chuck that one in. Salad onion. Take the skin off. Not that one. This one. If you like it spicy, put quantity of chili if you want. And chuck that one in as well. Blend it. I can put 1 or 2 more tomato. I usually put salt and sugar when I fry. Blend it. Get your pan ready. Put some olive oil if you want. Yeah, just wait until it's hot and let's chuck it in. Stir fry. Put salt. Put some sugar. I got brown sugar. There is chili there, but if you want black pepper a little bit, you can put it in. In this case, I just put a little. I also put in bay leaf. I also have a dried lime leaf, so I put it in as well. Give you a bit good smells. I also put lemongrass in, the chopped one. Give also good smells. Stir fry it until it's cooked. And this one I will use to marinate the fish. I'll show you a bit later, but let this one cook and you can try as well the taste. Less salt or put some more salt. Not you can put more sugar if you want. Also, I nearly forgot, I'm gonna put a bit of coriander. I also put a bit of white pepper, just a bit. Continue to stir fry it before it's got sticky on the pan. So you wait until it's probably the color turn brown a little bit. Yeah, it seems a bit dry for me. I'm gonna put a bit of water, maybe a quarter glass of water, and continue. Okay, that seems a little bit brown already for me, so I'm going to stop the fire and I'm going to leave it aside until it's cooled down. And then the step number 2, once it's cooled down, we're going to mix it with smaller pieces of fish. I'll show you after this. Okay, step number 2, I'm preparing the fish. This is the bonito fish I caught yesterday. I just cut the fillet. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut in small pieces, take the bone out, the red meat, that one there, I don't like the red one, and cut small pieces. And that's probably not enough. we need to fillet the two fish I caught this morning. I have scaled it and I'm just gonna fillet, take the fillet and put it back in there. Okay, I'm just gonna fillet the fish. You just need a sharp knife. Usually the bone and the head goes to the bin inside this bag straight away. Okay, the next step is to make these smaller pieces and boneless. You can do skin off as well. Okay, once it's done, cut in small pieces, no bones and no red meat. Have a look at that, although there's still little. Then you squeeze all of this lemon or whatever into there, so it will avoid the fishy, smelly sort of things. Leave it for half an hour and then I wash it. That's what I do. A little bit of salt. I just 1.5 actually, it's too much, the lemon, so mix it. One more. Lemon juice. You can use vinegar if you want, but this guys I use lemon. Mix it again. Lemon marination's done and I'm going to wash it because I don't want it to sour when you eat it. Okay, the lemon marination's done, the water's gone. The next step is to put this one all in. So we're going to marinate it, and I would think leave it for a night to have best taste experience if you like. But in this case, I'm hungry, so I'm going to marinate it for 2 hours. Now I have bitter beans. If you don't like to use it, don't chuck it in, but I like to chuck it in. It's not enough, I'm gonna get another one. Also I got a basil leaves, it smells really nice, so I'm gonna put it in once I wrap it in the banana leaf. Okay, I have marinated this for a few hours and I'm gonna wrap it in banana leaves. So let's do this. I'm gonna put the bitter beans inside as well. Just wrap it up. I'll do. And then what I do, just chop it off to save more banana leaves. And then just tight this one using toothpick. That's one. And then if you like the nice smell of the basil, you just put it there. Okay, I made enough, and I'm ready to steam them. Okay, put enough water and boil it. Once it's boiled, then you can start putting those stuff in here. So I got it boiled already, and simply put them in. To get it well cooked, I usually boil it for an hour. You need to check all the time, every, I don't know, half an hour, if the water is still there. If it's all steamed up, then you have to put more water. Okay, looks like to me it's done. An hour passed already, and you can see the different color now, turning brown a little bit. The reason I bring it here because we want to get rid of the water. Still hot. Just want to get rid of the water, and you put it in on the plate. Let this one cool down a little bit before serving the dishes. We just need to burn on hot fire to give a bit of flavor of the banana leaves. When you're ready to eat, burn it for a couple of seconds. This is not a proper of doing it. I'm supposed to use a metal things to hold it better. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's open it. See what happens.